Okay, so here I want to keep going with the overloaded methods, but I'm doing it in a Windows Forms application now, just to show you that you can, all right? So here I have a very simple form with a label, a text box, and a button, and I'm going to write a method that is going to change the background color, the back color of those controls. So let's take a look at the code here. Here is my method that I created. You know, private versus public, you don't have to worry too much about that right now. That'll become more of an issue to us in the coming weeks when we dig into object-oriented programming. Typically, form methods are private, like our button clicks and all that, so you can kind of mimic that. You could probably do away with this too if you don't want to include that. It's called an access specifier, so that would be fine too if you want to keep things simple and just dive right into the return type, which is void in this case. We'll look at that closer in the next couple of videos. We're going to call our method ColorControls, and it's going to have a single color parameter called paint color. I'm calling it paint color. And so again, not a data type that we use often in our code, but the point is you can create any type of parameter, an integer, a decimal, a string, a color, whatever. A parameter is just a variable, okay, and variables can be all kinds of data. An array even, you can have a parameter that is an array if you need to pass an array of things into your method. Okay, so in any case, whatever color I choose is coming through the door, so to speak, and I'm going to use that to set the label's back color property and the text box and the button. Notice how I'm using the parameter in my code. Don't forget that. Okay, so I'm going to run that. Oh, you know what? I didn't show you the button click. I can do that here. Okay, so here I am in the button click event. Okay, I've got the program running, but we can see the code behind. If I click the button, okay, this is what happened. I put in a call to the ColorControls method. I passed it chartreuse, and you can see it did its job, and it changed the back color of those items to chartreuse. Okay, so now let's overload the ColorControls method. And what if I don't want to just change the background color? I want to change the font color as well on the label and on the button, or the foreground color. So I can overload the ColorControls method. So again, same name, different parameter lists. This one is called ColorControls, just like the other one, but this one has two parameters. I'm passing two colors into the method. One for the background color, which I'm calling back. Another one for the foreground color, which I'm calling fore. And then again, just setting the background color to the back parameter value, and then setting the foreground or the fore color to the fore parameter value. So I've got two colors coming into this one. So now I can put in a call. I'll pass chartreuse as the background color, and then this medium violet red as the foreground color. Let's go ahead and run it and see what the result is. And there you have it.